This little one tries as hard as she can, do anything just so she can fit in. She wants a friend so